the Sturmey-Archer free hub with drum brake disassembly. Clamp the axle in an axle vise. And remove the left lock nut. And the two spacers. Then the brake assembly and the brake assembly bushing. Then invert the wheel in the axle vise and use a 17mm again to remove the right lock nut. Then the driver will slide off, driver assembly, and the driver spacer. Use a small screwdriver to remove the driver seal. And note the orientation. Then use the ratchet ring tool and you may clamp this in a vise or a large wrench. The socket size is 22mm, and remove the ratchet ring. The ratchet ring has a small lip on the inside, no lip on the outside. And there is a very small spacer underneath the ratchet ring. Now you have the hub shell with the axle and two bearings in it. Replacement of these bearings is typical of any cartridge bearing hub. The axle has a shoulder inside. You simply drive the axle and the axle and bearing will come out, and then drive the axle. Remove the left bearing by driving the axle. To install the bearings, you will need a standard bearing press set from any number of different manufacturers. That concludes the disassembly.